Good morning everyone. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Cornish Beach, Abu Dhabi. Happy weekend everyone. I show you the no. Look at in the other side they're digging the sand, the soil there. Oh. See? They have an what do you call that, to digging the lawn. Backhoe in Tagalog. In English, I forgot the name. Finish, I just walk here for 1 to 2 hours to exercise. The sun is not coming out in the clouds. The sun is hiding. See, this is Cornish Beach, Abu Dhabi. It's here today. It's not hot. It's not cold. Anyway, I just walk here for 1 to 2 hours to have exercise.
فبعدين جيت وانا جاي اقعد شويه كذا العب مع
This is Cornish Beach, Abu Dhabi. This beach is very long. You see, they're working in the other side. There's so many dump truck. It's dark. There is no sun. The sun is hiding in the clouds. The sun is not coming out yet. See, that side is the Mina Port. See. It's an weekend. See, very dark. It's like it's gonna rain. Maybe it's going to rain this afternoon. I hope not rain while I'm outside. Water is low tide. Water's low tide. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like. Hardly ba ako ng suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. The sea, that's side is a marina mo. Look, they're working there on the other side. There is dump truck and backhoe. What do you call that in English? That truck to dig the lawn, dig the soil. This side is the Mina Port, Abu Dhabi. All the fishing boat, cruise ship. The small boat is there. It's very dark. There is no sun. The sun is hiding in the clouds. But it's nice weather today. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.